Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is YEMI ASHIANNA if you're new, and today's video is going to be a little different from what I normally do. Now, if you've been subscribed to me for a while now, then you know your girl has been talking about a breast reduction. All she's been talking about is a breast reduction, a breast reduction, a breast reduction. That's all I want is a breast reduction. So today is actually Thursday, June 11th, and my surgery is tomorrow, Friday, June 12th. I am super freaking excited. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make this video, make it real quick and simple. I just want to share with you guys all of the items that I got based off my research, all the videos I watched. I think this would be really helpful for those of you out there who are getting a breast reduction, breast augmentation, whatever the case may be, and you don't really know what supplies you want. So I am going to go ahead and show you everything that I got. So if you're interested, then stay tuned. I'm gonna start with the clothing items that I got. So yes, I got a bunch of different tank tops from Forever 21. I got 2 black ones, a green one, a gray one, and I got 2 white ones, but I already wore one, so it's somewhere in the dirty clothes. But I got a couple tank tops just because they're loose but tight at the same time. You don't want to have too much compression, but you want to feel like you have something there. The reason I suggest getting them from Forever 21 is because they have adjustable straps. So I got a bunch of different colors. This way I can put my shirt on, but I can put them on from my legs. I don't have to reach over my head. So I can just pull them up from my body, and got a bunch of different colors. I mainly focused on keeping dark colors, but I got 2 whites just because, I don't know, you should have white. So that's what I got for the clothes, or for the tank tops. Now, I also got this pajama set. The lighting keeps going in and out, but that's because I'm not in my normal filming space. I'm actually at home getting my surgery, so I'm actually in my sister's basement. This is my recovery room. But I also got this pajama set from Amazon. This is cotton, and it comes with shorts. I didn't want anything with pants because I'd rather be cold than hot, because when I'm hot I'm kind of like irritable. When I'm cold I can just bundle up. So I got this, real light, real flowy. I'll go ahead and link all the items I got down below, and it's a button up, so that's gonna be real nice for when you just need to put something on, button it up. You don't have to raise your arms, you don't have to do any of that. So I got this one, and I also got the same thing in pink. So this is pink and silk with black lining. Once again, it's shorts and it's button up, so that's real nice. You can just put it right around and go ahead and button it up. You don't have to lift your arms. Nice and easy. So that's what I'm going to be wearing the first couple days after surgery. I'm not going to be able to shower for like 48 hours to a week after, so I got that, so it'll be nice and easy for me. And then for sports bras, I don't really know what size I'm going to be, but I have like a slight idea. Right now my band size is a 38, so I just went ahead and went to Walmart and I got these. I really can't, I don't know what size are upper. Okay, so I got these 2 bras right here. This is a size 40 and this is a size 36. Like I said, I'm originally a size 38, but I didn't really know what size I was going to be after surgery, so I just went ahead. Ew, this looks weird. So I just went ahead and got the next size up and the next size down. I got this size because I'm probably most likely gonna have swelling after surgery, and I may have drains. I don't know yet. Hopefully I don't, but just in case. And then I got the 36 for when my swelling goes down. And of course my boobs are gonna be way smaller, so yeah, I might not need that much space. But once again, I got these from Walmart, and once I kind of figure out what size I am, I'm gonna go back and get more. And these are clips in the front. You either have to get button-up bras or clip bras. I decided to go with clip because I didn't want my zipper. What the heck, button-up and clip is the same thing. I meant zipper or clip. That's what I meant. I decided to get the clip because I didn't want the zipper to like kind of open. You know how when zippers wear and tear and they kind of just like open up, they don't stay closed. So that's why I went ahead and got these ones. I'm gonna go back and kind of get some more compression bras as I start to loosen up and my swelling goes down, but like fresh out of surgery I don't want to be squeezing them, so I just got something that's gonna go ahead and lay right flat on my chest. And then my doctor also said right after surgery I'm not gonna have my bra on, I'm gonna be wrapped in gauze. So once my gauze gets taken off, I'll put my bra on. So that's pretty much what I got for the clothing items. Now this is completely optional. I got lucky with this. This is a pregnancy pillow. Like I said, I'm at my sister's house. She has a 1-year-old daughter, So she has a pregnancy pillow. I'm going to be using this. If you do not have a pregnancy pillow, I suggest or recommend using 5 to 8 regular pillows, or you can get a sleeping wedge. I'm going to be using regular pillows and this. So this is going to help me sleep. You have to sleep sitting up or either on your back. So this is pretty much going to help me with that. And then like I said, I'm going to be using that and a bunch of extra pillows. Now on to the supplies. These girls are making their appearance, honey. They're like, this is my last video, I'm trying to shine. So now onto the supplies. I got some water bottles just because I know I'm going to be moving around a lot and I want to stay hydrated. So I got 2 different ones. One can be upstairs, one can be downstairs, and that way I can kind of like close it. I won't knock it over or whatever instead of just having like a cup. So I recommend getting 2 water bottles. Some people like the ones where like it has a straw on it, but you'll see why I didn't get that later. So 2 water bottles. Like I stated before, you're not going to be able to shower for a couple hours, 2 days afterwards. So I got water wipes. This is going to help cleanse you if you're feeling sticky, if you want to feel refreshed or whatever. You can get baby wipes, but baby wipes tend to feel sticky after a while, so I just got water wipes. This is literally nothing but like water and fruit extract. So 99.9% water and a drop of fruit extract. So this is going to be your best bet if you want to feel clean and refreshed afterwards. Highly recommend this. You can also get flushable wipes too for like if you're going to the bathroom and you kind of just want to feel a little cleaner down there. I have some, they're already in the bathroom, but I'm going to be using this for my body. So that is that. I also got a ice pack. You can use this for either hot or cold. So I got the gel, the beaded ones, because it cools down, it freezes way faster than the regular one, and the jelly beads feel better. Like for tightness or soreness, you can just sit it directly onto you, so it's just more comfortable at the end of the day. But I really definitely got it because it freezes faster. So it freezes faster and it warms up faster, so you can either put it in the microwave or put it in the freezer, but I would recommend the jelly ones. And I got this from Target. I also got this from Walmart, and I got the water bottles from Walmart. So next on the list, I got spray deodorant. Normally I use the stick deodorant, but I got the spray one just due to the fact that I'm not going to be able to raise my arms all the way. So this way you can just shake it and kind of just like spray. You don't have to be, you know, however you put on your deodorant. But the spray deodorant gets more, and you know, you won't be stank. But it's completely up to you. If you want to use a stick, you can, but I just feel like this would be better because say you can just literally go like that. So I got that, and I also got some gauze pads. Now these, ignore my box, they're kind of beat up from when I was traveling, but I got gauze pads. And I got pads specifically because my stitches are going to be right here, so when I have my bra on, I can just place the pad right directly on my stitches, and I can just take it off. So it's up to you if you want to get the roll or if you want to get the pad. I got both. So I also got 2 boxes of rolls as well, because like I said, I'm going to be wrapped in gauze for the first day after surgery. So I just got extra just to be sure that I have this on hand if I'm bleeding, want to clean it up or whatever, if it gets wet, whatever. But I recommend the pads because you can kind of place these wherever you want, and then this because you completely wrap it around you if you need to. So that's what I got for that. Now I don't necessarily know what you're supposed to use for scars. This is what I just got from my research. I meant to ask my doctor in my pre-op appointment, but I forgot. But for the scars, I got bio oil. I just got the small bottle because I want to make sure I like it before I go out and buy the big one. But this is the bio oil skincare oil. It helps improve the appearance of scars and stretch marks. For the scars, it helps improve the appearance of both new and old, stretch marks, uneven skin tone, aged, dehydrated skin. So it's going to be good for not only your scars, but just for your skin overall. You're going to have to shower in some antibacterial soap, so you will get really dry. So this is going to be good to put on the whole surface area of your boob. And then since you're taking out so much tissue and your skin is being pulled together to lift them, you do have a high possibility of getting stretch marks. So this is just going to help you clear that up. So this is what it looks like. So I got this for that. So that's not only good for scars, but it's good for your overall skin. Now directly for my scars, I went ahead and I got some Derma gel. I've used this before in the past and it really worked out for me. I had like some scars right here and right here under my eye, and I was using this on it for a while, and it definitely helped fade it up. Now when I started using this, my scars were already old, so I don't know if it's going to be different on fresh scars, but it says reduces the appearance of old and new scars, so I'm sure it will. And then it says clinically shown to improve the softness, texture, and appearance of scars resulting from injury, surgery, burns, or acne. So this is the 2 scar treatments that I will be using. Like I said, I'm gonna ask my doctor how she feels about this and if she recommends it. If she recommends anything else for me, then I will show you guys that later. I'm not too concerned about my scars, just due to the fact that, girl, I'm ready to have small boobs, so I'm not really worried about what my scars are gonna look like. Plus, during my pre-op, she kind of showed me where they will be, so they're not gonna be super dramatic. So I'm not worried about the scars, but you know, you would always want to do what you can to help the appearance of it. Now, speaking of cream, still, I just got some Neosporin. Everybody was saying they got Neosporin, so I just got Neosporin. I don't know if I'll ever be using this or what I would need to use it for, but it's good to have it in case you might need it. So I got that as well. Now, you are going to be on a lot of medications, so let me get mine. These are all my medications inside my bag. You want to make sure you get your medications before surgery, because you do not want to be running around after surgery. You're starting to get in pain, you're already nauseous, you're already lightheaded. After surgery, you need to go straight to your house. So you want to pick up your medications before surgery. I picked my medications up right after my pre-op appointment. I went there right away, picked them up. She gave me Percocets, she gave me nausea medication, antibacterial, and pain reliever. So that's all I have inside of here. Big old bag of medications. Now, being that you're going to be on so many medications, you want to make sure you get like a stool softener of some sort, or you can drink prune juice if you don't want to take any other pills, but not everybody reacts to prune juice. But being that you're going to be on so many medications, you will get constipated, okay? Nobody wants to be constipated, nobody wants to be bloated. We want to let our bowels release. So I picked up me some stool softeners because I ain't trying to be miserable. I need to let it go. So I just basically got the Up and Up value, and I think I got this from Target. So some basic stool softeners, girl. Oh, and I got all this from Target. I pretty much got everything from Target or Walmart, so you can find it on Amazon, Target, Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, wherever. But I highly recommend getting stool softeners. At first I was just gonna get prune juice because I was like, I don't want to take another medication on top of what I already have. But girl, I'm gonna be mad if I'm drinking that prune juice and I'm not reacting, so I had to get the real deal. Okay, I also brought my regular multivitamins that I normally take. These are the ones I normally take. I'm going to start taking these once I start to feel a little better, so maybe like a week out, just because I want to make sure I can start getting my vitamins and my dosages back in and get to regular programming. So I made sure I brought these along. Like I said, I'm not at home. I am in Minneapolis, Minnesota, at my family's house, so I just brought everything I could think of. So that is pretty much all the pills, medications, and ointments that I will be using. And to also make it a little easier, I made me some medication trackers. So yes, this is what it looks like. I literally made this online myself. I was trying to find some that I could just print out, but they were all like super ugly. I know, sounds weird. They were all ugly. But I just had the free time, so I just made my own little layout and I laminated it. So I made 2, maybe one for upstairs, one for downstairs, or if I mess one up, I can have another one. But this is what it looks like. It has the date on there, it has the medication I'll be taking, the dosage, how often, so the frequency, and what time. So I made this up for myself. I think it's really cute. And then to go with the medication tracker, I have these colored stickers. And I'm going to be using this to kind of label. I'm going to put one on the top of the medicine, and I'm going to put it right here, so that way I know which color is which. And also my mom knows, because she is going to be the one taking care of me. My mom don't be paying close attention, or either she need her glasses to read what is what. So I don't need no accidents. So I picked up some neon color stickers. I'm going to label the top of my medication, and I'm going to label the medication name, so that way she knows which goes to which. So, you know, gotta help them out, okay? Besides that, I also got some expo markers to go with it. So since it's laminated, I just got this, so we can just write on it and wipe it off. So that goes with that. And then I also got some straws. Now this goes back to my water bottle when I'm not drinking out the water bottle, I actually purchased some pineapple juice and ginger ale upstairs. So this is going to help with drinking out of it. You don't want to be pulling stuff up to you or coming down to something. So I got this from the dollar store. Just put the straw in there, it extends even more, and girl, drink real easily. So you want to make things easier for yourself. You don't want to do too much, but you do what you need to do to make yourself comfortable. So I got me some straws. So yeah, I also got some Dio antibacterial soap. You want to be using, not be using, but the nurses called me earlier and she said you want to use antibacterial soap the night before, the morning of, and a couple days after. I got this because I already knew that, but you want to make sure you get as much bacteria off your body as possible, so that way you don't have any infections and you just, you know, discard as much as you can. So I got the 2 bars. I had planned on using one a week before and using one a week after, but I'm just gonna start using it tonight because I don't want to be too dry. It says it's non-drying deodorant soap, but anything antibacterial is going to be deodorant. I mean, going to be drying. So anyways, you want to make sure you get some antibacterial soap. You can either get a bar, you can get like a small jar. You don't need a whole bunch of it because you're only going to be using it for like a week to 2 weeks max. So you want to make sure you have some of that. If you can remember when I said my medications, they gave me Percocets. I'm trying to not take those because girl, I ain't trying to go off no perks. So I got me some Tylenol extra strength. Hopefully I can maybe take the perks for like 1-2 days and then I can lean onto this versus taking something so strong. I don't want to be loopsy, I don't want to be high, I don't want to be on something so strong because it can get addictive, and no. So I got me some Tylenol extra strength. You don't want to have ibuprofen because that's a blood thinning. If you do get your own over-the-counter pain medicine, you make sure you get Tylenol. So anything else but Tylenol. So that's what I got as well. And then I'm gonna be sitting in one spot for a long time, whether it's the bed, the couch, whatever. So I just made sure I got me a 10-foot charger, and I got this from Five Below. Real simple 10-foot charger. That way I'm not struggling to get to my phone, I'm not like leaning over something, I'm comfortable, I'm where I am. And I just got me an extended charger. And then last but not least, this is definitely not a necessity, but as you can see, my hair is super freaking long, so I just got me some scrunchies. I just got some cute little ones because, you know, you're gonna be feeling ugly for a while. You may not feel ugly, you may feel like down for a little bit because you're gonna be cut open, you may feel groggy or whatever. So you just want to make sure you can, you know, do what you can to feel pretty. That's why I got me some pretty little pajamas on Amazon. I just went and got me a pedicure this morning, so I can't have nail polish on my nails at all, but I'm just gonna go ahead and shape and trim them and put a clear coat on. Let me rephrase that. You can have nail polish, you just can't have colored nail polish or acrylic. So I'm just putting a nice clear coat on. But yeah guys, that is pretty much everything I got for my brush reduction. Just make sure you stay tuned for my vlog. I will be recording as much as possible. As you know, COVID is going on right now, so they're definitely limiting who can be there, you know, how much you can do, and just having a lot of restrictions on everything. So I will try to get as much footage as I can. If I don't get much, I will definitely be sure I check back up with you guys later, but just stay tuned. I'm super excited. These things are going to be gone. Right now I am a 38I and I am hoping to go down to a 38C. So just make sure you stay tuned. Yeah, I can't think of anything else to say besides I'm super freaking nervous, but I know everything will be good. I'm just gonna pray, you know, pray, keep an open mind, and just stay relaxed. But I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Mwah.